Number one said the calculate the total revenue for each order. To means the total revenue, I have to sum. So revenue column is here. Let's find out. Here it is revenue. I assume the sales is the total revenue. Let's addition the total revenue is equals to sum, or you can use equals to alt plus equals to for auto sum. So this is my question number one result, or you can take from here as a sale reference. This is the total revenue, and here we are using the total revenue as a sales. Find the average profit value of all records. Means I have to average out what is the profit. The same equals to average and take this total profit. This is the average out, and same as I am taking this cell reference. In practice, we are taking the cell reference as a result. Now calculate the total discount for each product category. So in here, there are multiple product category here, and the discount is just a percentage wise. So first make it percentage. First we calculate the particular discounted value. Then we can calculate the total discount category wise. So discounted value, the sale value into discount. This is not will be the discount. This is a general number. So this is the discount value. This is the total discounted value. Next, take from here and fill the product category and go to the insert and the pivot table. First of all, we have to use the category, the search category, and drag into the row. Next is the discounted value, which is just now calculated as a reference. Blank because one row we are using for previous calculation is just a additional row. That's why it is showing the blank. Now, this is the total discounted value of the furniture, office supply, and technology, and total grand total. So rename the sheet and you can mark it as a question number Q3, or you can mark it as a discounted value. Just write it down. Done. Next is compute the total order quantity for each region. In here, this is the order quantity, but here no region. Yeah, region is tagged. So region wise, whenever taking the calculation, just use a same thing is a pivot table. Order quantity till the region. Go to the insert, take a pivot chart and drop order quantity as a value and search for region for faster result, and here it is your result. This is the total region wise order quantity. So this is the Q4. We are using Control D for which is already done. Here we can copy using Control D. Next is determine the highest unit price of the database. Whenever it is called the highest, for a mathematical calculation, we use the max. Max what? Max the unit price. The unit price, the column K, and if here it is the total maximum unit price. Next, identify the lowest profit in the database. Whenever it is the lowest, in as a mathematical calculation, you using the mean, and the question is lowest profit. The column J, lowest profit is here. Let's calculate. Question number 7. Calculate the average sale value for each province. So in this order table, there is already a province average sale. So just select from sales till the province, go to the insert and pivot. First of all, sales, then the province, drag to the row. I am taking here row because it will showing the better optimized result rather than column. Just click here and taking the average value. This is the average of each of the province, and this is number of question is question number 7, Q7, and mark here done. Next is calculate total number of order placed. Total number of order means the question asks you to count the total number of order. So you have to use the count total number of order. We can take the order ID. This is the total number of order. Question number 9 says the compute the average order quantity across all entities. Order quantity of, across all entities means approx the inside the total database set. So just average order quantity column number D. This is the average is 26 as a round of figure. This is the average of order quantity. Question number 10, the calculate the total margin value using sale into product based margin. Total margin. So first of all, sales here, we have to find out where it is product margin. Okay, this is the product margin. And here it is. Few data is not there. Few data is not here. When we are using the Power Query, suppose this data we are using first time in the Power Query, we have method to drag the all data where it is blank. Means we have a method to fulfill the data using the Power Query. But we are now not using the Power Query with the generalized Excel. So just take as 0 because this is a null value 0. This is a null. Check. Okay, fine. Means we have to create another column. Another column means total margin. And the question also said the total margin formula will be sales sales into product based margin. Control shift down arrow and control shift up, control V. Then total is sum. This is the total. Here you can drag it or map using this sale address. Done. This is the calculate total margin. Next is extract the first five letter of a customer name. Where it is the customer name? Customer name is here. What did the question said? Question said here the first five letter. Extract first 5 letters. Number of characters is 5. Copy. Now we are using here the left, the cell number, and we are taking the 5 as the number of character. Done. Next is just mark as done. Identify the length of each product name. We have to calculate the length. Whenever we have to calculate the length of a product name, first of all, where is the product name? Product name. Okay. Length of the product name. To calculate the product name using the CHR function, means character, just say we are using to calculate the product name. Calculate the product name using len function, and here it is. The total calculation is here. Done. Mark is done. Done. Extract the year from order date. Let's practice, guys. Let's practice. Order date. What should I extract? The year. Very simple. Very simple. Just here the ordered year. Text, comma, using in double quotation 4 times Y for year. This is the 2010, and here it is. Done. Next is the combine customer name and region in one string. Customer name and the region. So customer name and the region. Let's combine customer name and region. Combine, we have two options. We can use the concat or concatenation, or using the AND operator. First use the concat. This is easier. Or you can use AND. Both are the same. You can use whichever you are want to use. So just Control V, Excel will done. Okay, done. Next is the upper to capitalize the customer name. So the formula is already mentioned. Customer name, make it upper. Upper used to capitalize. All are capital. Done. Next is identify the customer name starting with the M. Starting with the M. Identify starting with M. Next, if so, all the starting with the M, all the starting with the M is triggered as a yes because we are using the left one. One means the starting number one and equals to M, and this value is true, this value true, and true result is yes, and if not true, then no. So this is done faster and faster. You stream to remove extract excess space in the product name. Mhm. Product name. Use stream function. Comment down below if you want to use the stream VLOOKUP index match in both function. Comment down. I will make that video. Extract function is done, gone. It will calculate it in background. Nothing worry about that. Replace air into ship mode with the ground. Air in ship mode with ground. So ship mode. Mhm. Air. So it is not mentioned which kind of air, means express or regular. So we are taking both of them. Replace air with ground. So here we are replaced full, which means all express will be the ground. Express, regular, whatever it combined with air will ground. So just change here ground. Here is in capital to memorize that it will change. Just copy and select. Control Alt G. Control G. Go to then here it is visible cell only, which is visible cell and control V. So now the delivery track and the ground. So result is here done. Next is extract the domain from the customer email ID. Where it is customer email ID. Here is nothing in the customer email ID. This, so there is nothing. The mark is red. This question is not related to these data sets. Next is used to proper to capitalize each word in the customer name column. Again the same work, customer name. Here is in the upper. Now is the proper from what? from upper because this is most of the proper section. So first type the proper, done. So it is not done. Done here. Calculate the number of days between order date and the ship date. Number of days between order date and ship date. Order date, which is ship date. So diff from what? Order date minus ship date. By why? Because in this zero, sorry, negative marking, because we are taking this formula in wrong way. Most of all use this order date minus ship date, but to using the proper calculation, we have to use ship date minus order. The 7 days, or if you are using this order minus, now extend the weekday, name the order date. So go to the order, this weekday, weekday, return type, return type. We are using number one, or yeah, number one. Is the weekday. Next is the if. Identify if the order placed Q1 using if. Identify if the order was placed in Q1 using if. Q1 means the quarter one. First of all, I have to check there is any possibility to get data, existing data. No. The question is said that determine if the order was placed is Q1 using if. So I have to use the if logic. If weekday, this weekday, 2 means Sunday is greater than 5. If this is true, yes, else, no. Now copy. There is a result which is showing yes, PC shipped on weekend. Yeah. If you like that kind of practice set, please share, and the subscribe. Calculate number of orders shipped within 3 days. If based on order date, is greater than 3, then yes, it's no. And mark the done. Calculate the number of orders shipped in the year 2012. Calculate the number of orders shipped in the year 2012. So ship date, insert pivot table. Year is 2012. So this is the result is 2112, and we are using as a total result 2112. This is the question number 27. So rename is QE 27. Next is add 30 days each order date and display new date. Add 30 days each order date and display the new date. So go to the order, new order date, done. Next is identify the order shipped after the estimated ship date. A order shipped after estimated ship date. So first find out the estimated ship date. So in this data set, there is a no question regarding estimated ship date. So this is the error question. Format the order date MMYY using the text function. Very easy. Nothing need to worry about that. Format order date. Done. Identify profit greater than 500. Identify the order. So first of all, sorry, identify profit. Profit, insert pivot, profit greater than, this is the total identified profit. So in addition, we can use here the order ID, it will be the better. Use the if to mark order with discount greater than 20% as high discount. So in the order table, in beside the discount column, type of discount if greater than 20% high discount, else double quotation means blank. So those are high discount. This is showing the high discount. Or you can use here just a underscore is the high discount. So this is the done. Identify the order which sells less than and 100 as a low sell. The same as you can use the AND function and order priority high to crucial. Next is the VLOOKUP. List start from the VLOOKUP. Use to find order priority on a specific order ID. Here, first of all, in question number 35, it is showing the identify order with order priority set to high or critical. Means there's two order. First of all, in order priority, there is a order priority high and critical. Two order priorities then find a order ID, find the order priority specific order ID. So order ID is 1539. So in here we are find the order ID is not exactly unique. Might be the order ID is a duplicate. So take a order ID of both of them, order ID, and we need to fetch the data order priority. So using the VLOOKUP, lookup value is this. Next is the table array. Table array will be starting from order ID because we are all know or VLOOKUP always starting from the left to right till the order priority. And order priority is the column J. Take a VLOOKUP, lookup value, then order ID, from B till order priority, freeze it. Column number is 9 because when I taking the J it is a 9 and the 0. Then repeat, not specified. So this is the VLOOKUP function. So done. And we need to customer name using the index match. So here it is. This is a customer name. The index match, we are using index of the result. Result column means The customer name means this is a customer in upper format using the match this to where the order ID same 0. Done. So the question both are done. Next question are for your practice. Practice link in the description of this video. Go here, practice, and I already uploaded multiples of video like a dashboard, shorts, and Power BI, SQL. Just follow it each and every day. I try to provide the best of the best video that will enhance your career towards a data analyst. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe.